Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Interviews YouTube channel. I am Jayan Siddham, and in this video we are going to solve the third problem from Codeforces round number 964, which is rated for division 4. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the problem. So this problem is called showering, and here we are given that Alex is a computer science student and he wants to shower daily, but he has various tasks in over the day. So those tasks are given to us in the form of li and ri, that is the starting point and ending point of the task. Along with us, we are also given that there are some n seconds in a day, right? Let's say m seconds in a day, and he needs at least s seconds to take a shower. Okay, he needs s seconds to take a shower, and as we discussed just now, there are various tasks and they have a starting point and a ending point. So our task is to figure out with all these tasks can he get the s seconds required to shower. Okay. So if we look at the input, first we have t test cases and we are given the value of n, s and m. N is nothing but the number of tasks he has, and for each of those n lines we are given l of I and r of I. Okay, and so this is our question. Given the time intervals and the length of the day and time required to take a shower, we have to just say if it is possible to take a shower or not for Alex. Okay, so how do we approach this question? Right. So one thing is for sure, uh, we need so one thing is for sure that we need at least s seconds between any two tasks so that he can take a shower, right? And if you look at our first example or the sample example that he gave us, one task is starting at 3 and it is ending at 5, right? 3 seconds and 5 seconds. Let's say time, we'll talk it in seconds. So 3 seconds and 5 seconds. Second is starting at 6 seconds and 8 seconds. Last task is starting at 9 seconds and ending at 10 seconds, right? So he can shower between any of the tasks. But one more thing is that from the very first task, before the very first task, our day starts at 0 seconds. So we also have time from 0 seconds to the very first task. So we all just have to check if any of these things is going to give us enough time for Alex to shower. So how the question would be quite simple. The logic would be quite simple if we just go with these things. So what we can do is we can say that our ending time of previous task ending time is 0. That is, by default we are not doing any task, so our ending time previous is 0. From the next possible all incoming tasks, let's say this is task 1. Task 1 is going to start at let's say task 1 is going to start at 3, right? So the difference between task 1 dot start minus previous end should be greater than or equals to the shower time, right? If that is the case, he can take a shower, right? Task dot start time minus ending of previous time should be greater than or equals to the shower time. If that is not the case, what we'll do is we'll just update the shower time of the task. So if this is not the case, the else part would be just previous task end will be equals to task dot end time, right? So this is going to be the logic. At any time, if he is able to shower, we are going to simply say that he can shower, and we can print yes from there. Okay, so this is the question, this is the logic for the question. Let's continue with the code for this. So let's continue with the code for this question. So first we are given t test cases, right? So we'll just run a loop for t test cases. After that, in the input we are given the values of n, s, and m. So let's take the input of those two. Map input dot split. Okay, next, after that, yeah, we can simply run a loop for n times, and we can try to figure out our answer for underscores and range of n. As we discussed in the solution, we'll have previous end time, so that will tell us what was the previous task end and current start time. So let's take a comma b as our inputs for the starting and ending time. So map comma input split. Okay, now we have to check if a minus previous is greater than or equals to s, that is the time is enough. Then we can say we got our time to shower. So flag will declare a flag variable as false, and we'll make flag as true. Okay, so if we get enough time, we'll update that we can take a shower. After that, we'll just update our previous to the value of p. Okay, and so at last we'll check if flag is true, or we should also check if the last value that we have, the last previous ending task till the end of the day, if we have enough time. So m minus previous, if it is greater than or equals to s, if any of these is true, then we can just go with printing yes, else print no. Okay, let's just submit it and check. So as you can see, we have successfully submitted the question. If you are interested in programming and want to become a better problem solver, you can join our 3-month-long Smart Coder course and master data structures and algorithms. Link is in the description. You can click on it to find more about the course. And if you like this video, please consider liking it and sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. That is it for today's video. Have a great day.